This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside Seller Lab, sign in and open Add Product. First, choose category and subcategory that matches your item. This drives required attributes. Once done, enter the product title and brand precisely because search relevance depends on those fields. Make sure to pick FBN or SFS now, as logistics affect pricing and inventory steps. Upload at least 3 clean images and a front-facing main image. Good visuals reduce returns and improve conversion. Continue by completing the Attributes panel. You must supply size, color, material, and weight because Noon uses them for filters and shipping quotes. Then add identifiers, GTIN or IAN plus your SKU. This prevents duplicates and links catalog matches. After that, set price, including tax and any promotional schedule, since final price affects buy box eligibility. Once all fields validate, preview product detail page to confirm descriptions and bullets render correctly. Finish by adding inventory quantities and lead time. Low stock warnings prevent overselling. Next, choose or create a shipping template. Set dimensions and package weight precisely so shipping costs calculate correctly. Once everything is reviewed, click Submit and monitor the listing status in Seller Lab. Listings can take hours to publish. If the product is rejected, check error messages, often missing GTIN, invalid category, or image issues. Fix that field, resubmit, and recheck within a few hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.